So first of all, hi, good afternoon, Santosh. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great, and how are you, my lovely brother Sanjay?
Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm also doing great. So how am I looking?
You are looking like a wow, beautiful,
Oh
gorgeous,
my, oh my
because
God,
you are
thank you so much.
handsome.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
are you
you're
okay? Okay, there was a reel, right? So beautiful,
because I think
so
elegant, looking like a wow.
looking
Because I
like a
think your
wow.
smile, yeah, your smile express
Oh
that
my
you
God,
are so handsome right
oh
now.
my God, thank you so much. So Santosh, we are meeting first time. Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you for this golden opportunity. As you know, my name is Santosh Kumar, and I am from UP district Lakhimpur. By profession, I am an English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies are reading different types of religious books like Gita, Quran, Bible, etc., and having conversation with different types of people. Apart from this, I have started my YouTube channel that name is English Spoken with Blesser, where I upload English content so that people can learn this beautiful language very easily. So that's a little bit about us.
Oh my God, that's great. And you are laughing as well. I think you're very excited, right? Okay, how long have you been working on YouTube channel? I think you're very excited about your YouTube journey, right?
Oh, brother, I will answer of your questions. I have been working my YouTube channel for 3 months.
All
Earlier, I
right.
used to teach in the school, but I think
Okay.
when I have feel the problem that as a teacher there are many people are working on YouTube channel, so it's I would like to
Okay.
do
All right.
the
So
same work.
we are shooting this conversation, right? So earlier you
Yeah,
were saying, Sanjay, why are you standing? And right now I can see, there is there is an underwear behind you.
yeah, but I think it's look like that you are standing. So let me know the reason of this. Why are you standing? So please, if you don't mind, so I would like to know the reason.
Okay, okay. I was saying, yeah, because I'm living alone. Okay, it's been for 4 to 5 months. I'm living in Gurugram, Haryana. Recently, I have
Oh,
shifted here, so I don't have any chair and table as well. Okay, that's why I'm standing, and I'm using tripod.
oh,
Yeah, that's why I'm standing. But I was saying, behind you there is an underwear.
yeah.
Oh my God, no problem.
I think.
It's yes, yes.
Yeah.
All right.
So, brother,
So
uh,
yes.
yeah, brother, would you like to have conversation with me on any particular topic or casual?
I always, talk about a particular topic, right? Nowadays, and today I'm just doing normal conversation. Okay. So
Yeah,
just people can watch this conversation. They can get some entertainment. By entertaining, they can learn this language, right?
yeah.
How to speak without any topic, right?
Yeah,
If you do English conversation, you won't talk about any topic, right? If you talk to any stranger, you will not say, bro, let's talk about any topic, right? We will do normal conversation, right? So same thing we are also doing.
absolutely right.
All right. So
So,
how long have you
I
been?
would like,
Yes, you can
yeah, yeah,
ask me,
yeah,
no
yeah.
problem. Yeah, keep on speaking, no problem.
Yeah, you mean to say you wanted to ask me right now that how have you been learning this beautiful language? Am I right?
Correct.
Yeah, so I would like to answer. I have been learning this language. By profession, I'm a teacher, so you can understand. I have been learning this language since childhood. But earlier I used to this subject. Uh, Earlier I used to teach this subject as a subject. Teach. But I think when I come to know that the science and technology has the changed the way of our thinking, and so without English you can't go ahead. Suppose if you get chance to visit abroad and at a time you don't have idea how how to talk in English. So what you feel. So now I started working on my speaking skills, and today I'm able to talk in front of you without any hesitation. So I think I would like to also share my journey. Oh, it is very important for your viewers because it is very difficult when it is very difficult. When you are living alone at the home and you don't have any types of environment and you want to speak English confidently, fluently. So what you will do in the situations? So I think I understand myself that I'm best partner because God is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. He knows me very well because He's our maker, He's our creator. So after that, how I practice. Would you like to know? It is very interesting for you.
All right, tell me.
Yeah. No, when I get up early in the morning, during these days, summer vacation is going on, so I have much time. So as usual, but I am not lazy. I get up early in the morning, and after getting up early in the morning, I pray to the God, and then I go to morning walk. There I run 2 or 3 kilometers. Then I do my yoga and get fresh. And after getting fresh, I teach my own kids because I have to. I am blessed with two kids. That name is Sunny Sarthak.
All right, that's great.
Uh, After that, how I practice. I practice first. Uh, com- First, I learn a action word with their sentence, like present, past, future. I After that I complete their exercise without looking, and then I try to change the situation based stories and what is happening in our surrounding. I also try to change this type of stories, and then I watch English cartoon movies, and I also watch the video of native speaker how they speak. I follow the way they speak and like this, and now I start thinking, but gradually I can speak English without any hesitations.
Yes, I can see your confidence. I can see the way you're speaking. Okay, I should appreciate you. Keep on working
Yeah,
hard, and it's been for I think a few years you are
yeah,
teaching as well, right? You are an English teacher as well,
yeah, yeah.
right? Yes,
Yes,
there
I
is
am
no
English
doubt.
teacher. Yes,
Yeah, there is no doubt,
yeah,
right? If you are English teacher, okay, you are speaking well English, you are having good knowledge as well. But it's not our mother tongue, right? It's a long
yeah, yeah,
life journey. We should work on this language, right?
yeah, yeah.
All right. So now,
Because
do you have
learning.
any, now do you
Yes,
have any question?
yes, I have a question.
All right.
So regarding English. Because I have told you what I have done for learning this English, and now it's your turn. So, brother, please let me know how did you learn English? Because
All
it is a very important question. Because most of the people wanted to know this type of problem, and he wanted to know the solution of this type of question.
all right. So Santosh, my answer is there was COVID-19 period. Okay, in COVID-19 period, we cannot go anywhere, right? We are not having any work as well. Okay, so I
Yeah,
used to stay in my home and I used to practice spoken English. And how I was
yeah,
practicing? So
yeah,
first of all, I have started working on my, I had started working on my tenses because if you want,
yeah,
I always say, if you want to make big building, we need foundation. Okay, first we should work on our basics.
yeah, yeah,
I had worked on tenses and how I was practicing as well. For example, I'm practicing present indefinite tense. Okay, so
yeah,
I was doing and I used to do. Uh, I was making so many sentences. Okay, up.
yeah,
For example, if I say I talk to you, it's an affirmative sentence. I was
yeah.
making negative sentence, interrogative,
I don't
double
talk to you.
interrogative,
Yes,
and double affirmative as
yeah,
well.
yeah,
And I'll give you
yeah.
example as well. I said,
So,
I talk to you. I don't talk to you.
yeah.
Do I talk to you?
Why do I talk to
Why do I talk to
when
you?
do I talk to
Why,
you?
why
Yeah,
do
yeah,
I talk?
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In same way, I used to practice as well as
Uh,
I used to listen English
yeah, in
conversation
past.
videos,
Yeah,
English podcast, English music as well. And same thing, I'm imitating as well because we are learning, others language, right? It's not our mother tongue. So if you want to sound
yeah,
like a native speaker as well, I'm just adding this point. If you want to sound like a native speaker, you will have to whatever you are watching English content, right? it should be, it should be by a native speaker. So if you listen to that podcast or music or any video, okay, if you imitate
Yeah,
that video, music, or a podcast, right, you will learn natural spoken English, and
yeah,
you will be speaking very fluent as well. So in this way I
yeah.
have practiced.
Oh, I thank you because I think now you
Yes.
are doing great work, not for
Yes,
yourself
thank
but
you.
for others.
Yeah, thank you so much, Santosh. Now I'm running short of time because I have to go to my office. Before starting this
Yeah,
conversation as well, I told you, right? You're saying I just woke up now. I will have to take bath, and I say please
yeah.
do fast because I have to go to my office, right? So now I'm running short of time. Should we wrap up this conversation?
Of course, of course.
All
So I
right.
think I would like to meet you in future. So I think next
Yes.
time, please give me much time, sufficient time, enough time, so that we can share my internal thoughts with
Yes.
you because you are looking very gorgeous.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. Okay.
So
So Santosh, thank you so much for giving me a precious time. Okay.
yeah,
And bye for
I
now.
hope
Yeah. Bye
till
bye.
then take care my till then take care my handsome brother.
Okay. Okay.